Hi, it's Chris. We're here today to show you how to change an end cap kit on your refrigerator. You may be changing this because maybe the handles come off in your hand, the clips are cracked, or you may be just looking to do a bit of an upgrade on your fridge. Your end caps may be white and the new kit actually comes in chrome, which makes a really nice change to your fridge. To change the end cap kit, it's really fairly straightforward. We don't need a lot of tools, number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and a small blade screwdriver for prying out the end cap. Myself, I tend to like to use a little container for putting the screws in so I don't lose track of them. And in this case, it's a magnetic one, so I can just actually stick it to the fridge. We'll start off with the lower handle. It's very easy. Just go to open our door, take our screwdriver, remove the 2 screws in the top, just close our door, and now with our little screwdriver, we're going to remove this little cover. Simply insert the blade of the screwdriver, give a little pry, and out it comes. It's that easy. With our Phillips screwdriver, we'll now remove this one screw, put it in our magnetic container so we don't lose it, remove the handle, and now we simply have to separate the pieces we want to replace. Bottom one first, the upper one, and they came off just that easy. So now we're just going to put the new pieces onto the handle, and they just press on. So just install the bottom one the same way by pushing it onto the handle. A little pressure is required. And you're all set to install it on the fridge. Take the screw that we removed, take our screwdriver, and tighten the screw. Take the new end cap, which is just a matter of pressing it into place. Now we just have to reinstall the 2 screws for the top. Open our door, line up the handle, and install the screws. It's usually best not to tighten that first screw till you get the second one in place so that everything can line up. Snug the screw down, go back to your first one, secure it, and your lower handle is done. And now we do the same process for the upper handle. We'll remove the 2 screws at the top, and now the 2 at the bottom. With all the screws removed, the handle just slides right off. Same as we did with the lower handle, we'll just remove the end caps, just a little wiggle, and off they come. So now we're just going to install the lower end cap by pushing it onto the handle. We'll remove the other end, again just with a little wiggle. There we go. Remove it, install the new one, press it into place, and reinstall it on the fridge. Same process, 1 screw, we won't tighten it down completely. So we get the other screw in place, snug them up, and you're all set on that end. Now we'll just open our fridge door and install the other 2 screws. And there you go. Your end caps have been replaced. Your door handles are now attached. A very easy repair that anyone can do. You not only improve the look at your fridge and the functionality, but you just saved yourself a lot of money by having someone come in and do it for you.